Let's take a quick look at how to use Semrush in order to find keyword trends. Now, if you don't already have a Semrush account, I'll leave a link down below where you can get signed up for a free trial and be able to use all this stuff. But essentially, once you're logged into your Semrush account, if you go to the very top bar up here, just type in a keyword that's kind of related to, you might actually already know what keyword you want to find the trend for, but in this example, I'm going to use keto diet. So this is like a very broad keyword, which as soon as we put that in, it's going to show us the 12-month trend here, right? If you hover over this, it'll tell you this chart shows the volume trend, the interest of searches analyzed over the last 12 months. And the funny thing about the keto diet term is that it typically takes off around January. So this would be like January, February, March, April, May, June. And then by the end of the year, it has died down pretty significantly. So it tends to be a New Year's trend, if you will, which I don't know why I find that so funny, but I just think it is. Either way, from here, you can also explore other keyword ideas like these down here. So maybe we want to look at like keto diet recipes. I'm assuming it's going to have a somewhat similar trend. Actually, kind of interesting. What are some keto diet recipes? Some of these are going to be like the less volume that you have, the more difficult it's going to be to catch a significant trend here. Like if we go all the way back to the first example, keto diet, that gets 550 searches a month. And so there's plenty of search volume, which allows us to have a pretty, solid trend that we can check and understand what's happening with the data. And of course, this is extremely valuable because if you're trying to launch a keto diet book or something in December, it's helpful to know that you're not going to get a whole lot of traffic or not as much traffic until January, February, March, etc. So anyways, I hope you found that helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours and all for less than 50 bucks. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.